Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya, Conrad Kongkal Sangmau la pentip Gejala kan serak banikran, bat ke Sorkar Pdeng halo kejingdon kam ban Pynkylla ke MMDR Act, yang dibantau kiwi ki kendon ban penlong ya kejingti marpok kendo kat kum kejing start science, kabelak ban penteri kam na kebenta kinong ti ipar kiberit. Walaupun pau bagajingti open cast kadon kam kejaka kabahe, bagajing show pisa kababon. Nababon na ginong tipar kimla satya ban ko ikabor kumpalabo namar kajaka kalong kabarit bagajingdan serta budo yung ru kadegaway pat kabenta. Conrad Kongkal Sangmau lihat hob unsara menekrani kenekakam bad umentri korbari ke Sorkar Pdeng lembat umentri wede bad kakam tipar hadian ka jingalang kakenun menteri. Walai kejing kang ti do yong nadat banweng bat laplat ya kejing ti kat kum kejing start science dekat coal India bat ketenat mining. Ulong bakai ke balong bat kaya per bah bat kinong ti par hang ni ha kejela namar kejing ya be kendo kadai kejing ti open cast ke ba omlak ban penteri hang ni. Ula pentip bagi Sorkar jela kala pulia benia igi teknologi beper belaterwa da kinong ti par banlak banweng ya kene kejing e akan saya sam kene bagi Sorkar India da kejing kermen banyo ke jubab ka babha. Ndai ula maham bagi kendon babo apo kari kidai ki babo kejing e ya ki baro.
Number 3, I will be also meeting the Honorable HM as well as Honorable Mining Minister in regards to the different mining issues that are there in our state. As you're aware, that though the ban on coal has been lifted, and though there is approval for scientific mining in our state, which has been given by Coal India and by the Mining Ministry and other agencies, the challenge we face is that the open cast mining, which is what the scientific mining requires at this point in time, is something that is not working out in terms of financial feasibility for most of our miners, because the land size is big, the investments are huge, and the seam level that we have is very small. So there has been a concern and a demand from our miners that smaller mines should be allowed. We have been working on this for the past. We've been looking at different technologies. The miners had presented a very beautiful technology to us, and we are going to share that with Government of India. We're hopeful that we'll get a positive response. But again, as I said, it is not as simple as we would want it, because these are standards that are there at the national level. And therefore, Government of India will have to change the MMDR Act, amend them, make different changes, or find another way in which we are able to then find a solution to this. But as I said, keeping in line the different needs of our people, this is a very important subject for us. And therefore, like we have done in the past, we will continue to take up the matter. Though, as I said, we have scientific mining, we have scientific mines coming up, which are open cast, which have started producing. But in order to be able to go large scale and to be able to give the benefit to all our miners, we'll need to work a bit more harder to get the different provisions at Delhi level in MMDR Act and other acts to be done.